Good morning, guys. We're in my shed, or my shelter part of my shed, where we've got a bit of a leak here somewhere. Floor's wet, I'm catching water in there, and I'm pretty confident, if I keep my hand out the way of the lens, that I know what the problem is. I'll just switch us round. Right. Focus. Little drip just there, and it's along there. It's all along here. It's where they nailed the felt on the roof. That's the nail, tips of the nails. Goes all the way along. If we actually go into the shed, it's following that line along where the line of nails is, and there's a second line of nails there, and they're also leaking. So that's not good. Now what I've got is I've got some cheap stuff from Poundland I'm going to give a try first. Right, pick this up in Poundland. Stop that leak. Leak repair spray. Now I don't think there's very much in there, so I've got 3 bottles of it, or tins of it. So we'll give it a try. Before I go up on the roof, I'm going to put some strengtheners up there so I don't actually damage it. They're just bits of wood that I've got. So I'll lay them up there so I can actually stand up there without damaging it. Right, this is what we're looking at. You can see the nails. So I'm going to try spraying them. See if that'll have any effect. The only thing is it's not as dry as I was hoping. Yeah. But that's the problem. They've nailed them. Obviously they've put those little caps there that are supposed to do something to stop them leaking. Yeah. We'll see. Well, before I get set up to do the whole thing, I'll just have a try on some of these here. Well, interesting. Let's see if we can get up there and do that lot. Well, I've done it. That took 3 cans of spray, and I've no idea if it'll have actually done the job. On the can it says it does actually creep underneath, so it finds its own way in to seal things. It was £2 a can, and I bought 3 cans because that's all that Poundland had. So we'll find out. I mean, if it works, £6 was a cheap fix. If it doesn't work, £6 wasn't the end of the world, and we can get it done properly and pay a bit more money. Still, there we go. So that's the view of my garden from above. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.